Hey there, Todd with Industrial Comfort. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cool colored pencil bowl. It wasn't super easy, but it was a lot of fun. Let me show you how I did it. After a little surgery, we were able to get this mold out of the tin. I definitely would not recommend using a cookie tin for this. The cookie tin did not survive and will not be seeing any more cookies. So now that we've got it chucked up, we are gonna stick it on the lathe. We're gonna shape it up, and I'm gonna epoxy a piece of wood on the back so we can create a tenon. Once we have this shaped, we'll be able to flip it over. Eight coats of True Oil really gave this bowl a nice high shine finish. I'm going to cut the tenon off, and then I'm going to use a really unsophisticated method to flatten the bottom of the bowl out. We'll put a few more coats of True Oil on the bottom, and then we'll be done.